In front of me is iPad Air 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now, if you can't see a microphone icon at the bottom left corner, you need to access Devices Settings. Then click on General. Scroll to access Keyboard section. Scroll again and use gray switcher next to Enable Dictation. Hit Enable Dictation in the pop-up. Adjust those options however you want to and pick your language. Then go back. Now access your keyboard again and click on this microphone at the bottom left corner. Now select whatever you want to in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!